right, guys, welcome back. Today we are discussing nail care tips and tricks for mothers with the CEO of Bella's Boutique, J.A., and founder of Bella's Boutique Polishes, Annabelle Glaze, along with the inspiration behind her vegan nail polish line. Woo! Lord knows Mama needs some care. And they're not supposed to agree like that. Like, yes, Debbie, for real, it needs more care.
I thought it was like a general,
no, right?
Need care.
But we do need care, though, as mommies. You know, nail care is very important. But I want to begin at the top, right? So 2006, you start your own nail line, or is it a salon? How did you get started?
2006 was when I started the service side of the business.
Okay.
So nail tech side.
Okay. How long have you been in love with nails?
Ever since I can remember. I've from I was a little girl, just always changing the color of my nail polish, and until I started to do my mom's nails for her.
Oh, wow. And mommy allowed you to just, you know, express yourself with nail polishes and that kind of thing
Yeah,
as well?
she wanted to. She was like, come and do my nails. Because she used to do her own, actually, and she had her own kit. So she was actually my inspiration to start, you know, taking care of myself that way.
Love that. How has the business been for you since you started?
Great, actually. I started doing the nail polishes in 2016. And, you know, because I have the first-hand information from the clients of what colors that they want, you know, I just go with people coming in the summer and they want like a neon green that's wearing. So I'm like, all right, I'm making a neon green next.
Yeah.
So.
Because you do make your own polishes, and these are all your polishes made by you.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So what is the thought process behind each polish? Like, polish, what do you think about? Do you think about what your customers want? Do you think about the trends for the time? And how do you source like all of these ingredients to make nail polish? Because I'm thinking some of these things don't even exist in Jamaica.
Yeah, I have to import the raw materials.
Okay.
So I basically just, I do them seasonally. I know the colors that people have been asking for, so I kind of put that together in a collection. Like, all right, summer is coming up. I have to do like a, you know, a neon pink, but like with a little red, because that's what, you know, people have been trending towards. And then I just kind of put them in a collection, get a theme, and then I name them. Like, you know, this pink one is Yardy Barbie, and it's a part of the...
This pink one here?
It's a part of the Summer is Back collection.
Ah, okay. So you have a new collection called The Summer is Back?
Yes.
Okay. Tell us about it, and what are the colors that we're looking to come back for summer?
So we have Maiden Key.
Okay.
We have, I don't have all of them here, but
That's
I have Sour Like Lime.
And we see some images on screen, so there they are. Sour Like Lime is a nice green. Oh, that green is beautiful.
Popping.
Yeah.
So popping. And then there's Sunset at Rick's. As I mentioned, there's Yardy Barbie.
So Sunset at Rick's is this beautiful orange. Oh, this is gorgeous. That's so nice.
Thanks.
So in terms of new shades now, you know, when you're thinking about new shades coming in, what do? You just like mix something that exists already with something new? How do you find new shades?
I have a store that has hundreds of color pigments. So I get it in my mind and I kind of look for it and I order some samples, test them out, and yeah, once I have it, I just write down the formula.
Yeah.
And that's
and
it.
you just do it.
Yeah.
Love that.
Hand mix them at home, pour them in the bottles. Yeah, I do everything right now.
So see there now, wow, oh gosh, those colors are beautiful. Mother's Day is tomorrow, and I mean, I know the mom is dressed up during this time because they're going out to brunch and lunch and dinner and all of these things.
Yes.
You know, let's talk about nail care for mothers and how important it is that we keep looking after ourselves, because everybody pulling from us, you know. Everybody pulling from us, like seriously, right? How do we take care of ourselves?
And then we tend to put ourselves last and have the excuse that there's not enough time. So, you know, I just wanted to show you guys something quick, you know, that is actually trending right now. And you don't need the gel, you don't need the lamp, you know. And there's a trend going on right now with the chrome. You know it?
Yeah, no, I think I've seen a couple of videos online, yeah.
So it started with Hailey Bieber. And it was a very light chrome polish. Everybody's going mad over it.
Okay.
And it has just gone into like more chrome, everything.
So everything is like chrome nowadays?
Right. So normally though, you need, for chrome, you use gel polish and you use like a loose powder and you rub it into the nail and it gets metallic.
Okay.
But for people who don't use gel and don't have a lot of time, I have a color here. It's called Bashment. It's iridescent. It's like, I don't know if you remember cotton candy. It's like cotton candy 2.0. So you can either use it by itself or you can put it over, you know, different colors, and it will give you that chrome look. That's really trending right now.
So it doesn't cover the entire color that's there underneath, right?
No.
It just accentuates.
Right.
All right.
But you can also use it by itself.
Okay, cool. I want to see it in action. So let's call in our
All
model.
right. Hand model.
Our hand model is here.
All right, so we can.
All right,
here.
so you can come on this side.
All right.
So you can have the polish. There we go. All right.
Okay.
All right, so you can see the colors. So what colors are we going to put it over?
Okay, so this is a very natural color. It's called One Man. It's from the Proud Wifey collection. And this one is wife material, which is like a chalky pink. This one is something pink. This one is everything peachy. And then over here we have Maiden Key. This is from the new collection.
All right, let's turn it around some more so we have that. Oh, there we go. Oh, gorgeous. All right.
All right, so we're gonna show how one coat looks. This is gonna give you the Hailey Bieber chrome
Oh my gosh, are you seeing that already?
that everybody has been going wild for.
Look at that. That is gorgeous.
And then we have like a more subtle look with the chalky pink.
And I love the fact that it's good for daytime, nighttime. It's just so nice and easy to put on.
So easy
Yeah.
and so fun.
And your application brush is kind of short and manageable, you know, nothing
Yes.
too long and lengthy.
And it's wide enough so you don't need too many strokes.
Okay, so where can we find all of these lovely polishes now, Anna? Tell us, we can buy them online. Do I call you up or do I follow you on
Yes.
Instagram? What's the handle?
So I have a website that you can order from. You can get in-store pickup or you can get doorstep delivery. That's bellasboutique.com. I have a number on my Instagram.
Yeah.
You can always
And
just
that's
give me
what-
a call.
That's the website that we're looking at right there. And that's a handle to her Instagram at the bottom of the screen. Look at that color. It is so nice.
see that chrome?
Oh, party on the hand right there. I love it.
Yes.
What's next for you?
Just more collections, more products. Hopefully I can branch out into acrylics, you know, just everything for the nail artists.
I can't wait. Congrats on everything, girl.
Thank
Give me
you
a quick
so
bump for that.
much.
Like it going on with things. Love that for you. Thanks for stopping
Thank
by.
you.
Miss Annabelle, CEO of Bella's Boutique, JA, and founder of Bella's Boutique Polishes. Annabelle Glaze, we'll soon come back. Gonna get my nails done. Soon come.
Put some chrome
Definitely. Chrome up my nails.
It would look so